Hi, I'm Lyla Street, a realtor with eXp Realty and a native of Colorado Springs. Having grown up in our beautiful city, I have a passion for supporting our local small businesses, especially those essential businesses that are remaining open during this crazy COVID-19 pandemic. So, in order to show my support, I've created this video series which will spotlight our local small businesses. This is Word on the Street, a feature of Illuminate Real Estate, Colorado Springs. One of our downtown distilleries. This place is great, and I've been coming here since they opened last year. I even got a pre-grand opening tour with friend and manager Bill Foster. These wonderful people distill in-house gin, vodka, and rum, and they are working on a recipe for Colorado whiskey as well as a couple of Colorado bourbons that will honor our first responders, which is so awesome. Can't wait to try those. And bonus! The Hot Box food truck. They are literally on site and on the street. We will spotlight them a little later and order some yummy food. Now we're inside 1350 Distilling. The ambience is warm and inviting in a retro, patriotic sort of way. You can tell by the decor they have completely captured this vibe. The owners have military roots and backgrounds. With owners Candace and Phil Bragg. Thank you so much for taking the time today to do this interview. It's kind of my pleasure to spotlight you guys today. And so in order for everyone to get to know your wonderful business better, what was the inspiration behind starting your business?
Well, so I came off of a 27-year military career, and as I was approaching the end of my career, I knew that I wanted to have some sort of small local community business. And it took me a while to figure it out, but I was very interested in distilling, very interested in cocktails. I had this idea, we were fleshing it out. I did a program through the Small Business Administration called Boots to Business, and that's where I built the business plan and realized that we could turn it into a viable business. I went and talked to my wife about it. She thought I was completely crazy. Turns out she was right, but she said, let's do it. And so we found some great partners, and here we are 3 years later. We've been open about 6 months.
So, let's spotlight some of your products. We've got the products on the table here. And what did you call this, Phil?
I said this is like a Girl Scout cookie table for adults.
I love it, I love it.
You can get everything you need.
Well, great. Well, tell us about your spirits here.
Yeah, so right now we have 4 products on the market. We have our vodka, our rum, our gin, which just came out this week, and our bourbon. So we've got a full range of products, and you'll notice if you look at the bottles that each one's dedicated to a different military service.
Oh, I love it.
This is for the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Coast Guard. You'll notice the Marines is missing because that's going to be my rye whiskey, which is not ready for the market yet. But it should be ready this summer. And then we're also working on another line right now for our first responders. So we're coming out with a barrel strength bourbon for our police officers, and a cinnamon bourbon, which we make right now in our infusions. It's amazing, and we're making that for our firefighters. So those should be out here in the next month or two.
Excellent. Oh, I'm excited. That'll be great. I can't wait for this pandemic to end so that we can come back and gather and enjoy cocktails together. So, and what do we have going on here?
Yeah, so right now we're selling bottles. You can buy them individually, or we've created something really cool. You can come in and get a kit. So we have made recipes of some of our most popular cocktails, and we'll just make the kit right here for you. Wow. So you can go home and make your own cocktails at home. So each kit serves about 12 cocktails, and really all you need to do is pick up a lime and some soda, and you're good to go.
And voila.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Excellent.
absolutely.
I am so excited because I am going to buy a bottle of 1350 gin today.
All right.
And it's only been out for a week, you said?
It's been out about a week, yeah. It's
Wow.
hot off the press. And we can do all this while keeping our social distancing, correct?
Absolutely, yes. And I really wanted to point out that 1350 Distilling has their vodka, rum, and bourbon at several local area liquor stores, correct?
Yeah, we're in about 50 different liquor stores and restaurants and bars.
Oh.
So go to your local liquor store. If they have us, great. If not, tell them to get us.
Yes.
Or come by and get one here.
Okay. I just wanted to give a shout out to Phil and Candace for taking the time today to do this interview. And it's my pleasure to get the word out on the street about this wonderful business. Please come out and support them during this crazy time that we're in. Allow me to introduce Autumn. She's the owner of the Hot Box food truck, and I just wanted to find out from her today what was the inspiration behind her truck and how long she's been in business.
I've been in business just over a year. I started February 13th, my first officially business. And I went to culinary school,
Oh, nice.
and I just want to work for another restaurant, so I decided, I'm going to see if I can find a truck or a trailer, and I found this. When I first started, it was just sandwiches, and then I decided to go ahead and put the tops on the menu
Oh,
one
good.
day. So yeah, and it's office themed. I don't know if you got that.
Oh, yeah, it is. It totally is. That's awesome. Oh, cool.
So yeah, it's done pretty well. I'm set up here a few times, and yeah, just around.
Okay.
See my Facebook
Okay, you're right.
address right up there.
Right
Yep.
in my face. Well, we're going to order the Michael and the We're So Cheese. I'm going to get the small Michael.
Perfect.
Thank you, Autumn.
You're welcome.
Today for this episode of Word on the Street. Again, I'm Lyla Street with EXP Realty, and I encourage you to safely support our essential small businesses. Stay tuned for further illuminations where I'll shine a light on other amazing Colorado Springs small businesses. Until then, please stay safe and God bless.
All you need to do is pick up a lime and some soda, and you're good to go.
And voila.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Excellent.
absolutely.
Perfect pandemic
Yeah,
alcohol.
absolutely.
That was an outtake. I might put that in when I say-
America, America.